Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys all the double space codes from tax 0 to tax 8 on Doublecoin. So if you have not done all the double space tax, I'm going to show you guys the codes that you can use to complete the tax so that you can get your rewards. It's very easy. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, the first step you have to take now is to go over to the tax section. You can see it right there. Down there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Then you tap on YouTube. Let me tap on YouTube. See right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, right here now you can see we have three sections: the double space, the double saga, and turn. The one you have to select is the double space. You can see it's already selected. Now under the double space, you can see we have several tax. We have tax 1. You can see it there from tax 1. Let me scroll down to tax 8. So guys, now these are all the tax that you need to do, and I'm going to provide them for you guys the codes right now. The tax is actually 9 in number, from double space number 0 to double space number 8. That means 9 tax. So I'm going to be giving you guys 9 codes. As you can see there, I've done the double space number 0. You can see it right there. Though I'm going to be giving you guys the code at the end of this video. Just make sure you wait to the end. So let me start with double space number 1. Let me tap on it right away. So what I'll do right away now is to tap on where it is written impute code here. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Then what I'll do right away now is to impute the code. The code is 2748027 2748027. You can see it right there on the screen. Just make sure you write it somewhere or you can screenshot it. So let me tap back to bring down the keyboard. Then let me tap on check right away. You can see where it is written check. Wow guys, you can see 100,000 Doublecoin received. You can see it right there. So let me go back. Then let me go over to the double space number 2. Let me tap on it right away. You can see it there. Then let me go ahead now to tap on impute code here. Let me tap on that place it is written. Then the code right away is 850-40376. 850-40376. Just take note of that. You can write it somewhere, like I said, so that you can impute it while you're doing yours. Then let me go ahead now to tap on check and see where it is written check. Wow guys, 100,000 received. So let me go back now. Let me cancel out. Then let me go over to the next one, number 3. This is number 3. Let me tap on impute code. Then the code is 48276395. 48276395. You can see it there on the screen like I said earlier on. Just write it down so that you can use it. So let me tap on check. Wow guys, 100,000 Doublecoin received. Let me cancel out now. Then let me go over to the number 4, double space number 4. Then let me tap on impute code right there. The code is 54783715. 54783715. So guys, that's the code. Write it down. So let me go ahead now to tap on check. Let me tap on it. Wow guys, received 100,000 Doublecoin. Let me go over to number 5, double space number 5. Then let me tap on impute code right here. Then the code right away is 39647218. 39647218. So what I'll do now is to go back, then tap on check. Let me tap on check right away. And again, I've received it. So let me cancel out and go to number 6, double space number 6. Let me tap on where it is written impute code. Then let me impute the code right away. So the code is 54769821. 54769821. Just make sure you jot it down so that you can use it like I said earlier on. So after that, let me tap on check now. Wow guys, received. So let me cancel out. Let me go over to number 7, double space number 7. So guys, let me tap on impute code. The code is 64289317. So let me tap back, then let me tap on check. Wow guys, can see 100,000 received. So let me cancel out now. Let me go over to the last one, which is double space 8. Then let me tap on where it is written impute code. Then the code is 46512783. 46512783. So I'm done imputing the code. So let me go back. Then let me tap on check. Wow guys, 100,000 Doublecoin received. And what I will do now is to cancel out, or let me cancel out. So guys, I've given you all the codes except for double space number 0, tax number 0. Remember I didn't show you guys, so let me show you guys now. You can see it right there. I did it before actually commencing this video. So the code for episode 0 or W space number 0 is 13652447. 13652447. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.